welcome back to Oh No, It's the Stews. Today we are opening the new LOL Pets. I am so excited. We just added 4 new ones to the giveaway. So because you want to enter that.
Ashlyn found these at the store. Well, Christy, her mom, and she found these at a store, and I don't know how long ago, but
so shout out to her. Fun with Ashlyn. You need to go check out her videos.
She is awesome with LOL dolls. She's got a whole collection.
Devyn's best friend.
We met, and we're the same age. She's so taller than me. She loves my cat. She's in love.
So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. You want to definitely comment down below to enter our giveaway. We are 10 away from 150. So let's just get started.
I'm so happy, guys. I could explode.
So it's kind of different right here on the thing.
Yeah, it is really different. It's kind of different. I hope I don't get like a bad dog.
Oh, and we might get a gold one.
Yeah, because it's came down.
Get a gold one. Oh, here's my clue. Play it cool with like the video.
I need some help.
Here are the differences, just so you can see. Here's the first wave and here's the second wave.
There's a dog on that one, a cat on this one.
The color.
And the color, like, this one's more like a dirty-ish.
Like orangish.
Yeah, like an orangish. And this is more like a lemon yellow. So, yes, the difference is.
So we have these in our giveaway, and we also added 4 of these to our giveaway. And as soon as we hit 150 subscribers, we're going to get a prize pack together. And then at 200, we do our LOL Pearl surprise. I cannot wait. So make sure you comment down below.
Oh, it's a gold one!
Oh.
It's a gold one.
I do not understand how we are getting so many gold balls.
Okay, so the last 4 videos, I had 3 gold ones, and we opened 4, so I only had 1 that was pink.
I'm having trouble with my
And this is my first one that I've ever opened, and it's gold. So we are getting lucky.
Play it cool.
Play it cool. Oh, you both got play it cool.
Play it cool.
And there's the difference. Okay.
I wonder if Devyn's is going to be gold then too, because you both have the same clue.
I feel bummed.
You feel a bump?
Yeah. I think it's the package out.
So here's the zipper.
Do you need help?
Oh, why is that zipper so hard?
So I'm going to pop this open real quick, and I'm going to wait.
Yeah,
There's even gold on this.
I got gold! I got gold! I got gold, guys! I got gold!
She got gold. I got gold.
On our first.
I don't know. I think we're just lucky. So definitely a big shout out to her, Ashlyn.
Thank you, Ashlyn, so much.
Go check out her
And
videos,
Christy,
like I said
thank
already.
you.
And maybe the golds are some of our giveaway balls. You never know, because we just keep getting gold over and over and over.
I don't know, guys. So don't ask me.
Are we doing any tricks or anything? Or no?
I don't know, guys. I'm just wishing.
Are you just
for
like
gold.
picking them out? Or like, yeah, she's just picking them out, so.
Maybe I need to play the lottery.
Okay. I think there's some new ones.
Yeah, there is one.
Yes, I don't think I've ever seen this one.
Yeah, that one you've seen before, because see, that one's catnapping.
Oh, yeah. There's a couple new ones that I don't think I have seen.
Yay!
But,
Time to break it open. Guys, I broke it open.
But we could have the different ones, just the same, like, clue and everything, because I got center stage, and I thought I was going to get the same one. But I didn't. I got one that was, like, I can't really explain it, but sparkly hair.
Wait, I've never seen this one before.
Let's just open our first blind bag.
Yeah, I'm going to open up my water bottle.
Oh!
I thank you, my God.
Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me.
What'd you get, Devyn? You guys have 2 different
I got a
ones.
queen.
That is cute. Look how sparkly they are.
Guys, I got a queen hat.
Don't tell me what they are, okay? Please, please, please. I'm opening my doll.
See, guys, I got a crown. It's so cool. I think mine may be.
This is ultra rare, I think. Look how cute she is. She's like the bunny and Fuzzy.
That's on the packaging.
That's Kitty Kitty.
Kitty Kitty.
Good.
She is so super cute. She is a rare. She is so cute. Look at those headphones, and she's fuzzy,
Yeah,
just like
she's
you
like a
said.
Can you help me?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. While I open these, I'm gonna like go ahead and.
But they got a sound, guys, though. It's so cool.
All right, I believe this is going to be your pooper scooper. Let's see what it is. Is it going to be a kitty cat, a puppy, a bunny? What is it?
Cat.
A kitty cat? Oh.
Well, maybe. You never know.
Let's see. So Devyn has
What's this one?
a crown and the pooper scooper kitty.
I want to.
And Liliana opened her doll soon, too soon, but she's got fuzzy, or I'm sorry, she has kitty kitty. Exactly.
Glasses.
Someone hurt.
She's got glasses. Look at those. Those are so cute.
A so cool purse. This is rocking out, guys. Rocking out.
Oh, look at that. That is so cute. I love it.
Yep, guys.
Cute. That is cute. It matches with her. But the pink one.
Guys, now it's time to open up my. Oh,
That's
this.
my bag for me.
Got another bundle, guys.
Oh, look how cute it is.
I got a kitty.
Look at her milk.
It's so cute.
Guys, I opened up my kitty. And then I got two.
Everything that I've opened is sparkly.
Guys, look what I got.
Okay, I'll wait till she gets like something.
Does that mean I
Say
got this?
I think you might have. Look, guys, do you see what I'm seeing here? We've got this with the glasses, and we've got this one with the hat. So I think Devyn might have two.
I'm gonna win
She
this.
is so far.
That
She's
bottle
like
is
really-
rocking. That is a cute milk jug.
Yeah.
Where's
It's
oh?
That was funny.
Let's say, where's the rest of your puppy dog?
Like, oh my gosh, if that was just made like this, then that would be crazy, guys.
Oh,
I
here's
can't
another
put it
one.
on. I can't put it on. It's too squishy.
Let me open this. We need to dig up our shoes. I feel like they're gonna be sparkly.
Oh my goodness, that is too cute.
Guys,
You guys can't see. Let's see.
I got another pooper scooper.
You've got Heartbreaker here
Look, I got a cute little pink doggy bird.
with the doggy pooper scooper. We'll put that right there.
Now I
Oh,
think
it won't stay on. We'll just set it there.
I think I'll.
And you've got the kitty cat, and this is It Kitty. And I'm gonna put her glasses
That's
on
so
with
cute.
her.
I know it's Mom. It's so cute, dog. Now let's
Oh,
open
and there's
up.
It Kitty
Now let's open up our.
with her little cute little. Oh, here we go. Let's put this there.
Guys, now let's
Look
open up
how
my golden
cute that
litter
is.
box. Let's open up our golden
So
litter
let's
box.
just put it down so we can.
Can you show Miss your?
Oh, here we go. Here's
Kitty,
my little
kitty.
kitty.
So Liliana has Kitty Kitty, and that is a rare. And Devyn has the puppy is Heartbreaker, and the kitty is It Kitty, and those are ultra rares.
I'm so happy!
Let's see what color sand you get.
A little, because I can't
Oh,
really-
green! The letter green was mixed
Oh,
a little
Devyn, you
bit
might
of
want to
pink.
scoot in.
Mine's mixed with a little bit of
Mine's pink and gold sparkles. So
Yeah,
let's
look
dig
at
it up.
Do you think I should do with bubble pooper scoopers? I am going to. I'm going to take it with Those
Those shoes.
I think I'll see what they do
is
last.
awesome.
Ooh, look at those. Those are so
It's
cute.
sparkly.
I want those shoes. Those are adorable.
I'm going to see what my pets do
In
last.
reality, yeah, we aren't getting those shoes. But
Oh, she's lucky.
Those are cute.
I got a heart broken on the bottom. No fair. Oh, I got a cupcake.
Oh, that is so cute.
So I got anything else in here? No shoes or anything?
I think that's probably it. That is super cute.
my shoes.
Look at this little cupcake, guys. How cute is that?
And it looks like it actually got.
And it's got a little broken heart on it for Heartbreaker.
Does that mean it has a broken heart? It's probably just a decoration, guys. Now I think it's time to see what they do, guys. For me.
Can you see? Can everybody see okay?
Oh, they can't see like the thing. can't see her dipping it.
Well, let's scoot you a little closer, guys.
There you go.
And it color changes! It color changes!
Her
It
hair.
color changes!
Let's see.
Her
And her
hair turns
paws.
darker.
Try it again.
Yeah, let's see.
All right, so.
Look, guys.
Oh, her hair does
So I
change.
guess they do color.
Look at her
change.
paws.
So I'm gonna take off her headphones because I don't want the glitter to. But let's see mine. Let's see. Oh, let's take off my
Let's
shoes.
take off this now. Do anything in the
Let's
water?
see what she does. She's a spitter.
Oh, she is a spitter.
Let's see what this one does. After my
Look at It Kitty's hair, the braid in the back. Look at the back of her hair, Devyn.
Oh.
That is super cute.
Oh, that is cute. But I like mine too. Look how like wobbly her legs are too. They make her not like those.
Guys,
Even
look!
her eyes are speckly.
What is she? Oh, she does. She color changes too. She gets a little jumper on. Aw.
Oh, she's so cute, guys.
Now, what do yours do, Devyn? Do they spit? Do they tinkle? Do
They
they
both color change.
do they do anything
No, but do
else?
they, like,
See, look.
I see the color change. Do they
Wait,
spit
this
that?
one turns like darker.
Yeah. Does she spit or does she tinkle?
Let's see what if this does. Wait, what? I just saw it's butt bubble.
Let's see. Oh, her head fell off again.
What is wrong with this thing? It's bad made. It's bad made, guys.
There it is.
Did my mom help me?
One thing I
Can
don't
you
like
help
about
me?
is we have to dig when we dig our shoes.
Can you help me with this, guys? My mom's gonna help me. But does it? Wait, does it? Sunglasses change? Nope. That was a good job trying. Wait, does her crown?
Oh, you know what? I don't believe that these do tinkle or spit because they do not have any holes. I think they just color change. Let's see
That's
that one.
pretty cool, guys. Let's see that. It's
Yeah,
so
we have no holes, so these definitely color change.
just color change. Guys, I am so happy today.
So I'm gonna get her all dressed for you guys real quick,
And
so
she.
you can see her. But
I'm gonna help my sister with her sand in her shoes game.
we already have two drawings. These are cute.
Guys.
But like, one thing I'm obsessed is how sparkly she is. Cause I mean, sorry, that was my feet. I promise, it's my feet moving.
She is super cute.
I helped her with her shoes out.
So everybody comment down below which one of the pets that we got today is your favorite and what pet you are hoping to get in the new LOL Pets.
There she is, guys.
So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment so you can enter our giveaway. We are so close to 150th, like I said. I'm just freaking out about that because we're going to be doing our giveaway soon.
And make sure you check back in the morning to see if the Tooth Fairy came to visit Devyn.
I'm so happy.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.